Hello friends, story time. Today we're going to read Little Blue Truck. Horn went beep, engine purred, friendliest sound you ever heard. Little Blue Truck came down the road, beep, said Blue to the big green toad. Toad said croak and winked an eye when Little Blue Truck went rolling by. Sheep said baa, cow said moo, oink said a piggy, beep said Blue. Cluck said a chicken, and her chick said beep. Baa said a goat, and Blue said beep. Neigh said a horse, quack said a duck, beep said the friendly Little Blue Truck. Honk, yelled a dump truck, coming through. I've got big important things to do. I haven't got time to pass the day with every duck along the way. It's not nice. Room went the dump around a curve. He saw a puddle. He tried to swerve. Into the mud rolled the big fat truck, and his big important wheels got stuck. Oh no, he got stuck in the mud.
Oh no!
His heavy-duty dump truck tires were sunk down deep in muck and mire. Honk, cried the dump. He sounded scared, but nobody heard, or nobody cared.
Nobody's coming to save him.
No one's coming to save him. He wasn't very nice, was he? And so why would someone want to help him if he wasn't being very nice? Then into the mud, bump, 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 came the Little Blue Truck to help the dump. Little Blue pushed with all his might. Now Blue and the dump were both stuck tight. Oh no, the Little Blue Truck is stuck in the mud with the dump truck.
But the cows, the animals not.
The animals aren't. Good thinking. Help, help, cried the Little Blue Truck. Beep, 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 I'm stuck, I'm stuck. Everyone heard that beep, beep, beep. The cow came running with the pig and the sheep. You were right, Vivian. Look, his friends are coming to help.
Night.
Up at a gallop ran the big brown horse. Goat jumped over the fence, of course. The hen came flapping with the chick and the duck, and everyone pushed the Little Blue Truck.
Is the couch stuck?
It's still stuck. Let's see what happens. Head to head and rump to rump, they all pushed Blue, who pushed the dump. They couldn't quite budge that heavy load. Then who hopped up? But the big green toad, of course.
It was fuck.
He was so strong. All together, 1, 2, 3, one last push, and the trucks were free. Look, both trucks were free. Thanks, little brother, said Dump to Blue. You've helped me, and they helped you. Now I see a lot depends on helping hand from a few good friends. Beep, said Blue, who wants a ride. Everybody scrambled to jump inside. Oink, quack, baa, moo, cluck, peep, neigh, croak, ma. Look, all the animals are jumping inside the blue truck. Beep, beep, beep. I hope you enjoyed story time today. I'll see you later, friends.